holidays.
And yeah, and this is
Yes.
our final. This is
Bye,
our.
Jacob. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
And we wish you have a great Christmas, a safe Christmas, and Happy New Year.
Yes, same to you. Happy New Year.
And we will know. This is me. You can. All right, guys. We are all done working at IKEA.
All right, let's go.
Buses are gonna be out here to pick us up.
Mikey, wait up. Is it?
I don't know.
Sam, come with Mikey.
Oh, let me ask Mikey. Bye, Mikey. Mikey, have a great Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You too, Mikey.
Everyone, make sure you signed out. Jacob, did you sign out yet?
Let me sign.
Echo, everybody's got to sign out.
Let me ask Nico. How nice that sign is. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Nico, the recorder's still on. I'm making a video.
But you don't have Leon, you don't have, is it Leon?
What time is it?
Ian.
Ian, yeah.
Ian, who's getting the
2:15.
for Brian.
And,
Great. Here's Life. Here's Tori and all of them. Oh no, it's a different bus. Let me see whose this is.
It's a prospect today. Let me go wave goodbye.
Have a wonderful,
Tori,
wonderful.
is that yours?
Bye, Nico. Bye, Carrie. Can you give me a fist pump?
Yeah. Okay, Jacob.
You have a great, wonderful holiday.
Have a good holiday.
Bye. Our bus is there. Here's our bus. Hi, Sue. It's fine. Where can I sit? I think where's where I used to normal sit.
No hurt seat, no hurt seat. So, do you know if they come back after the winter break? Do they come back here or?
It's all different. Some do, some don't.
Okay. All right, I'll have to check with my work then. Thanks.
Bye,
Carrie.
Happy holiday. Hey, we're done working at IKEA.
Yep.
And there's another bus behind us. That's the District 211. This bus for District 211. That's 563.
Yeah, it's a totally different district too.
Yeah.
Not even the same district I work for.
No, not in 211. We're in
Well,
District.
you guys are 214.
Yeah, there.
That was 211 in there.
Yeah. District 211 has their own bus company.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Then comes bus 1543. That's for life. Yeah.
All right. You guys have fun on your last day?
Yes, we did.
Good. Always nice.
There's another Bluebird Vision bus over here. That's bus 1900.
Yeah.
I cannot see that really well, but there goes bus 1900. That's 1900 over there. That's for Elk Grove.
Yep.
The bus driver is Pete.
That's one of my buses.
Yeah. Yep. Look at if you're at the window, you're on the bus. The bus is basically, this bus here is big. And we got Gordon over there. And we got Jacob and Freddie over there. I can't get you guys in the camera. We just got Jacob, and we also got Gordon and me, and we got bus driver Sue, and we're on bus 1888. It's a 2018 Bluebird Vision with a gasoline propane Titan Ford V10. That's Capitol Grill right here. Whoa! Whoa! This time, this is in this yard. Ready? It's our last ride back to school from IKEA. And riding on bus 1888. Wait till 1888. Safety 257. I can't wait. Now we're gonna go under the highway. There's another bus on the highway. It's a Starcraft Chevy Quest bus. That was bus number 84. A different company. Clancy of North Shore. And there's Portillo's hot dog. That's what I told you. That's what I saw to you on the video on the way to IKEA. Oh, we're going in the other lane.
Yeah, because remember, we don't have to turn here. So
Yeah.
we don't have to take the Hershey kids back there.
Because Friday was their last day. No, Alan Kyle, they're not there anymore because her husband, Hershey. They're the two first student buses, the Thomas HDX buses. They have a white top on it. That's what I told you before. I want to ride 1930. Same. Hopefully it might take us. Might be a different bus. I think I'll maybe take you, or it might be a different bus. It might be a different bus type. It might be you. And that's Copper's Hawk Windmilly and Restaurant over there. Okay, maybe I'll go for dinner instead. It is so much fun that I have been super rounded here. It's fun to be working at this place. It is so much fun to be over there, but there's
Well, hopefully you guys can go back. Hopefully you'll be able to go back.
I don't
after
know.
winter break.
I don't think so. I don't think so. That's a District 214 driver education student. It's a driver education car. And there goes bus 14. It's a, there goes bus number 14. It's a Cook County bus, the ICC bus. I don't think I'll be working at IKEA next year.
Well, you never know though. You may or may not.
No, I don't think so. But I got this thing that my job coach gave me this.
Yeah?
That's my, I have no idea. Looks like lemonade. Whatever, what is it called? Not sure what that is. But
So did you guys have your own name tags at IKEA?
I'm not really sure. I can't remember. But I don't know if I think so. I have my name tag. I don't have my name tag. I don't have my name tag. I should be.
Did you get one or no?
No, I didn't. I should. No, but it's fun to ride.
Some companies let you have them.
Yeah, but it's fun to ride on 1888 with the Bluebird vision. It goes. Yeah, we're done riding on 1888. It's our last day ever working at IKEA. And they were now passing Dunton School. That's what we saw on the way to IKEA. Yeah, there it is, that place. That's right, we don't have to come back here anymore to IKEA because we're working at a new place. I'm so happy that yay, we're done. I like to follow the music. No. No, he did not. Best friend be right over here. What is that? Something that I've been so. Yeah, I really. Overall, guys, you know this bus is a big bus, guys, and 1888. Yeah, I really like that bus, 1888. It's a really propane gasoline bus. Otherwise, any there does that. Overall, it's a really good bus. Yeah. It's really fun riding on 1888. I really feel comfortable with this seat.
So you guys should probably be back at school like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, we should be there. Yeah, we should be back here at school for 10 minutes earlier. 2:30.
That's what happens when I don't have to drop other kids off to get to school earlier.
Where are we gonna turn right?
We're gonna turn right on Northwest Highway,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna make a left on Kensington. Oh man, we're gonna get stuck for.
No meeting the schedule. Yeah, we're gonna stop at the train tracks.
Well, before the train tracks. Don't ever want to stop on train tracks.
Anyways, the train is coming.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you never want to step on train tracks. Stop on them.
Is a train coming? Well. There's a metro train. Sorry about that.
Bless you.
Thank you. Metro train is coming this way. Metro train coming. F40PH number 121. I'll get to get a view over there. And there it goes. This going to Chicago.
Yeah.
I've.
Now we'll be headed to Chicago. You are right.
Yeah, that's F40PH. Oh, we never. The possibility. It's a really fantastic Fenty. Another, just a little train track.
Yeah, little train tracks tracks that we still have to stop for.
Yeah. Oh, look, that's a train. That's a railroad, railroad crossing. That's not to be a railroad crossing anymore. It's not anymore. This is gonna be a very soon. Arlington Gardens. And look, Beverly Lane's Ball. That's where I've been there before when I was in sophomore at school. I'm a senior now.
Oh, you're a senior in high school?
Yes, I am.
Me too, and Jacob too.
Oh, all three of you are.
Yeah, we're all seniors in here.
Oh.
Look. Yeah, there's Gordon, Jacob, and me. Yeah, I don't want to get you in the camera, guys. Gordon, move down.
Oh,
So,
sorry.
so I don't want to get in camera. Look, nobody else is on the bus. It's just Gordon, Jacob, and me. And look, there's Mariano's, the grocery store over here. And there's Walgreens over there. That's where we come here, pass by that place. A little bit bumpy today. Very bumpy today.
Well, I hope I get to drive you guys to your job till the end of the year.
Yeah, when we work at a different place, I don't know whatever bus will take us. I don't know whatever bus will bring us to a new place, sir.
Yeah.
It might be you or it might be different.
Well, I hope it's me. It's been fun.
Well, it might be you again to take us to a new place, or it might be a different bus driver. And I would say is to take many different type of buses would take us. It might be a different bus might take us.
It could be.
It might be a
You
different.
never know.
Yeah, I never know about this. Yeah. Look, there comes bus 211. Yeah, there goes bus 211. This one going
There's
back.
bus 211.
Yeah, that bus is the 211 Chevy bus. That goes to the CLS program at
Yeah.
John. That's where I used to go to the CLS at John Hersey when I was a freshman.
Oh, yeah?
I used to go there, but now I don't.
I know how it is going to different high schools.
Tomorrow's a weird schedule.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be weird schedule. And we're finally arriving at Prospect High School, which is my school. And we're arriving. And I hope you enjoyed the ride, guys. And we're just arrived.
Alright, we just have to wait for the loader.
Let me grab my bag. Oops, sorry about this one.
Yep, Allie's not here yet. So we're early. Yeah, 'cause it's,
Yeah.
there's no first kids.
You might want to call the base.
1888 base.
Why does this windows are so open? What's happening to the radio?
I don't know. Can you call Prospect and let them know I'm here to drop the kids off from work hours so I could go to Wheeling?
But while we're waiting, but here's the view of the bus. Yeah, the turn signal's on. Turn signal's on. Yeah. Do you do the route for Wheeling?
I do a route for Wheeling, yes I do.
Yeah, bus route 5.
Well, that's 5 in the morning. I do 2 in the PM.
Yeah. Oh, I've seen the sign for. I saw the other sign. There used to be a sign of river trails.
Yeah, I'm usually all over the place.
Have you done the river trails route?
I've done river trails, yes I have.
What schools? River trails? Anything? What about Indian Grove or Euclid?
I did all 3 of those schools.
What about the Prairie Trail School Early Learning Center? That was a new school.
Yep, I've done that one too.
Yeah. Yeah. Were they the kids on the bus?
Yep.
Were they little kids?
I used to have 7 little kids and the rest of them were big kids. I used to have a full bus. Now when I go to Wheeling, I have a full bus.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'll be back in a little bit when we get off the bus, so I'll be back in any second.
Have a wonderful winter break and hope I get to see you afterwards.
Happy holiday.
Thank you.
Guys, Sue, can you give this pump?
Bye,
Thanks
guys.
for driving me. It's so good to see you, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
DK, wanna get changed?
No, I already took it off at IKEA. But here's the bus. There goes, let's watch it leave. There goes our bus. Oh, Monday. That's our van new.
Your flashlight on?
I film. I want to. I'll be film the video of the bus leaving. And there goes our bus, 1888. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy my last ride from IKEA to school. And with that being said, I guys hope you like this video. So everybody please like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, that will be it. And thanks for watching.